this is the road on which they are proposing land belongs to the NEPA Limited. NEPA Limited, it's private land.
There is a school running for the last 15 years, much before
Wherever
this.
you go,
In this,
you
School is on a different
encroach
Isra.
upon
they
any
are
public road.
Everybody here just to give the sympathy. Public road is always a public road unless it is acquired.
Mr. Gupta, that's what sometimes bothers us. That are you there? Are you there to approve them or to have access to your land? You had purchased in 2016. You are not here as a public spirited person.
That's right.
You are here to seek access to your land.
That's right.
That we are providing.
That's right.
So
Your Lordship.
now they are agreeing. The state says they will acquire the land and provide you ingress and egress to your land.
Your Lordship. My lords, on the last date of hearing, Your Lordship passed the order. So, my lords, my submission is, admittedly, there is a public road. Once a public road is always a public
See,
road.
public road is there. You had purchased when?
My lords, I have purchased in 2016.
16. This whatever encroachment
Correct.
or constructions were already there in existence.
Correct.
Right? So you had purchased with open eyes. The question is only that your plot should get an access from the
Correct.
public road.
Correct.
Now, do you have any proposal that site plan, proposed site plan?
Kindly turn to page number 31. 31 is the plan and the 34 Google map
31.
of our account.
My lords, that application has not been listed today.
Not application.
No, there is one IA number 328502. You listed.
Yes, Your Lordships.
there's an IA for direction, there's an IA for us, because we are patta holders, we are not encroachers. Under the Chief Minister's Awas Yojana, Milas, we have been granted patta from the year 2012. There is a school functioning there. There are 110 people. This is a front for something else. They want 110 families to be vacated today from. Milas, what's happened, Milas? This has become an industrial area today.
No. My
This lady who the petitioner who has
That-
purchased the property in
That's Mr.
2016.
Parmeshwar, if the land has got value, you can't.
Because I am not saying anything, Milas.
The
2000.
question is very simple.
But the
Whereas our pattas are never put to challenge.
Well, let's the
2012
fact
patta
remains-
holders. 2016 she purchased.
Where is the proposal to provide road?
Now kindly turn to page number 31. That is the
Your Lordship.
sketch.
31 years.
Yes, 31 is sketch. And now kindly go to page number 34. That is actual Google map
Actually,
of the location.
34.
34 is very difficult to understand what is there.
Is 30
your lordships have the states IA, Milas, 34. There is a map there. There's a photo there.
photograph you have produced.
The
Google
states
map.
IA.
So are you referring to this?
That's
photo?
right.
Yes.
So how to understand this?
My lords,
photograph?
34. This is my property. My lord, this
One
is my
second, sir.
property. Only just they have done this. This is a NEPA Limited's private land. My lord, they have also issued a notice to them.
If they acquire private land for you, you can't be.
What I am saying, my lords, I am saying something different. What I am saying is, this is the road on which they are proposing land belongs to the NEPA Limited. NEPA Limited, it's private land. So, my lord, they have already.
So that's why they say on the state expenditure.
What I am saying is, they have issued notice to them that you can't do it. They have issued notice, NEPA Limited also. NEPA Limited is not a
Notice for what?
notice because, my lord, they were using this land. This land was.
You have some other agenda in mind.
Of course, Milas. There's no-
But you must be only concerned to your land, that's
Correct.
all.
Correct.
And access to your land.
Please.
You, whether they are acquiring land of NEPA industry or any other industry,
Yes.
how are you concerned?
Correct.
You abide by this undertaking. Say in compliance to the order dated. Say leave guarantee. In compliance to order dated 12th November 2025, the state of Madhya Pradesh has filed an affidavit. Has given an undertaking through IA number 328502. देख लेना affidavit क्या है? Has filed as a क्या कर रखा है भैया? वो तुम्हारी रजिस्ट्री का काम है क्या? ये इधर पेज लगा रखा है, इंडेक्स इधर लगा रखा है, इंडेक्स में तो उल्टे पेज लगे हुए हैं। The affidavit by whom? They are
Chief Secretary.
completely.
CS.
The state has filed an affidavit of Mr. Anurag Jain, Chief Secretary of the state. And in para 2 thereof, it is candidly acknowledged that the state shall provide a road of proper width from the main road for ingress and egress directly to the petitioner's land at the post of the state, without disturbing the private respondents in whose favor attachments were issued for allotting lots in Khasra number 31. Next paragraph. Owing to the scope of these proceedings, where the solitary issue that falls for the solitary issue revolves around the petitioner's right to have access to her private property. We find that the undertaking given by the state is fair, just, and equitable. So consequently, the appeal is allowed in part. The improved judgment of the High Court is set aside, and the state is directed to honor its undertaking referred to above. And provide a road. What will be the width? We don't want any confusion.
Any whatever, we are ready, no, there's no issue, we'll,
Please, my lord.
whatever.
Width of the road,
Well, it's 40 feet.
40,
It's because the current, this place is 40 feet, which they have given.
40 feet.
Yes.
Will provide a road with 40 feet width. Connecting.
Already road is there.
My lord, may I make a small submission, my lord?
My lord's road is.
10 meters.
My lords,
40 feet is.
Wait. Width road
With frontage as well. Clear lot.
for ingress and egress directly to the petitioner's land. For substance road shall be constructed by arranging the land. We are using the word arranging. You acquire, you take donation, you
It's our responsibility to provide it, we'll provide it.
you arranging the land at the state's expenditure. So, we have adopted this report. We have approved this report in order to protect the possessory rights of the people belonging to marginalized community who are stated to be, who have statedly constructed their houses on Khasra number 31 pursuant to the pattas executed in their favor more than 30 years back. That is what Mr. Kaushik you were arguing last time.
Correct.
Huh?
Accept my argument. My God didn't accept my argument.
This land is yours land.
No, he's a big.
No, I'm for the state.
Because I pay for the patta holders.
We are patta holder, not make it.
Patta holder.
They are the
There is a
patta.
school. There is a school running for the last 15 years, much before
Wherever
this,
you go,
in this land.
you
We are in this house.
The school is on a
you
different.
encroach
So
upon
they
any
are
public road.
sending everybody here just to give the sympathy. It is
All right,
not
they are,
like
they are,
that.
they are for a considerable time, they have been given patta.
That is the only thing we are,
Alternate road is given to you, why disturb?
we strongly disapprove, otherwise.
Well, I'll
encroaching-
make one submission, short submission. Well, it's my respectful submission is, let us assume there is a scheme for allotting patta to the landless people. So, my lord, the fact remains is public road is always a public road unless it is acquired.
Mr. Gupta, that is what sometimes bothers us, that are you there to approve them or to have access to your land? You had purchased in 2016,
That's,
you are aware. So therefore, we have to confine your,
well, that I understand, but my submission is that, well, it's,
you are not here as a public spirited person.
that's right,
You are here to seek access to your land.
that's right,
That we are providing.
that's right.
So you should be happy that
I'm not, well, I'm just making the legal point.
30 years, okay, Putta, next paragraph. However, this order be not construed as an approval by this court, as an direct or indirect approval of this court for encroachment on a public road, merely because the encroachers belong to the poor strata of society. Full stop. we are not interfering on the issue of encroachment, primarily for two reasons. One, the possession of uh, the persons likely to be affected, cannot be termed wholly unauthorized, as the state has admitted issuance of pattas in their favor. Two, the constructions were made, houses were constructed by them 30 years back. Three, the petitioner purchased their land in the year 2016 with open eyes, knowing fully well that the public road already stood encroached upon by hundreds of families. Next paragraph. Be that as it may, since the state government has undertaken to provide the requisite access to the petitioner to her property, will dispose of the appeal with the direction that the needful shall be done
Whatever time this, we'll do it.
within 3 months.
We'll do it.
Within 3 months.
So let's one submission, because this land.
Milord, one small submission, Milord. Milord, my house is already been bulldozed by the estate, Milord.
You are
in
not the
this-
forest. When we will come, we'll see.
My submission is that this particular land belongs to NEPA Limited. Tomorrow, my lords, if any dispute arises between the NEPA Limited and them, then my lords, I'll not get the access. So I concern with only.
The authority will, however, ensure that no further encroachment at the site is made.
And my lords, that NEPA Limited land manager, if there any dispute arise between them, so
Let us not pass an order which becomes unmanageable.
liberty may be given to me, at least I may
Thank you,
approach
thank
this
you.
spot.
Thank you very much. All the best, Mr.
May it please.
We're feeling for the home buyers in this case, Miller.
Letter.
Milords, this is that super tech matter. Now, just,
Send
can
the
I,
letter circular.
can I just address my? Milords, I'm appearing for the resolution professional. In fact, Milords, it is in this matter that your lordships have